All right, you guys, so I'm back again, and this is, I didn't even notice there was one more thing in the box before the binder, so I'm going to open this up, and I think it's, look how cute. Come here, little bolitas. Stay over here. Guys, look how cute. These are pom-poms from the collection, and then she added this gorgeous tassel. How cute with the trims. Look at this, we have gold. Wow, this hot pink one. Look at this, light bulbs. And then like the yarn. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. Thank you so much, girly. Look at this, you guys. I'm telling you, look at these pom-poms. Did you make these? I wonder. Look at this yumminess. I'm gonna put this all in a Ziploc bag. Oh my god, I love how she layered it with paper. So cute. Look at this, you guys. This clear bow. Oh my gosh, is that pom-pom? Yes. Goodness, it's like she heard me. She knew what I was. Look at this blue one. Oh my gosh. Snowman mittens, hot cocoa, happiness. Yes. Look at this. Ooh, this is not. This is hard. How am I supposed to get this out now? Let's see. Don't want to ruin it. I want to recycle everything. Yay! Definitely can reuse this and then use this beautiful gold trim. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I can even use the tag. I'm going to reuse everything. And this is so cool, you guys. It's like wired. I am going to snip it off. I can definitely reuse it for sure. Really reusing this. I can add this in projects for sure. Look how it's like... I love that. Where you got that from? Wrapping. Okay, so I know a lot of people don't like crinkles, so I'm just going to unwrap this really quickly. Guys, are you ready? How beautiful! Oh my god, it says my name. Oh my gosh. Look how cute. Look at the snowflakes all glittered up. Oh my goodness, look at this. Wonderland. She probably, oh, this is probably like a little ephemera piece. How stinking cute this. Oh my gosh. I can't even, you guys. I was just talking about this trim. I just ordered some. Oh my gosh, that is just absolutely beautiful. That's a great idea to put the little pom-pom trim there. And then, oh, so cute. This paper is beautiful. All right, let's get into it. Oh my gosh. Okay. So over here, I see some little like tags and little ephemera pieces from the collection. Look at that little girl with the cup, or little boy. Look at the frame. Nice. Warm wishes. Merry Christmas. Chili. Oh, this is so cute. Lots and lots of furry snow. Fluffy snow. Don't know how to read. Brr. How cute. Oh my gosh. And this. Oh, okay. Look, you guys. She made a little pocket. How cute. Why are you not focusing? Hello. Yes. Look how cute. How many times did I say that, you guys? Count with me. How many times did I say how cute? This mason jar. Little. Look at this. It's like a little pocket, little clear acetate thing. I don't know. And then look at this. Oh my gosh, so cute. Look, she added stickers in here. Super cute, like clear stickers, and they're kind of little puffy. These are cute. Oh, this is from Daiso. Nice. And then a little envelope here. She made a little pocket. Cold. This is nice. She even, oh wow, I see what she did. She covered the binder completely, you guys. She folded in the paper. Very nice. And then a cute little bow paper clip. And she made an envelope and inside. Oh, look how cute. Naughty. And it's a face mask, maybe? Yes. Energy boost face mask. Oh, I could definitely use some energy. How cool is that? And I love how you made this. It's like super simple little like envelope. Look at that. So cute. I want to take a picture later, so. Oh my gosh, you guys. What is this? Look at that, you guys. Like an acetate sheet. And it has like splatters on it. Do you see that? And then she has some beautiful gold washi here. Very nice. Look at these bows. Oh my god, I love me some bows. Look, this is a clear one. She used like a dye for this one here. So nice. I love me some bows. Look at this one here, you guys. The frames with this. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Looks like a little ornament. Happy holidays. She added some like twine here, a little bling in the center. Oh, she put a little hat on him. Merry Christmas. Snowflake kisses. Oh, look at the little pom-poms. This is so stinking cute. Oh my gosh. And then here, oh, look at this one. This one's pink. This is such a great idea. I didn't think to do that, so it won't get like attached to the other things. Yes, yes, yes. Little envelopes. Look. Aww. Oh, a little card. How cute. And look, she added a little snowflake, like a dangle. Oh, I love this. This is so cute. Look, you guys. Hello, winter. Then she put a little button there. This is such a good idea. I didn't think to do that. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. Look at these flowers. So my mom has like a poinsettia one. We were playing with that one this past winter, Christmas. This one, these are different though. We don't have this one, but this is so cute. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look, another acetate sheet. Look at these little mason jars. That's the mason jar she gave me, and look how she did to it. Oh my gosh. What is that? Is that crepe paper? Did you paint it? Did you buy it like that? Oh my gosh. I have so many questions. That is beautiful crepe paper. Snowflake days. And look at the little sprinkles inside. Do you see that? Little confetti mix. Why are you not focusing? You're a new camera. Hello. Look how cute, you guys. I'm loving all the snow. Loving all the snow. Look at this tassel. Hello, snow. Oh my gosh, so cute. Look at this, you guys. You see what I'm saying? Did she like wink a Stella? I don't know. Using the wrong words. Oh my god. And look, I didn't even notice. She put freaking tabs on everything, you guys. Look at this. Tab, and glitter gorgeousness paper. Oh my gosh. You see my mess. Hold on. Let me zoom you in a little bit more. Oh my gosh. Look at these bag toppers. What is this? Is that tissue paper? She is so creative, I tell you. I love these bag toppers. I love it. It's like fluorescent. Iridescent. I don't know. So cute. Look at this black one. Oh my god, I'm so excited. If you guys don't know, I love black. It's just like, it's like my favorite. Love me some crepe paper rosettes. Love me some Dollar Tree wood veneer sticker embellishments. Look at these little doily. That little, I need that die. This little tiny die. I don't have a die cutting machine, you guys, but my mom does, and I go over her house and I die cut with her, or I like buy dies. Like I bought the Tim Holtz one. I bought a few others, and I just leave it at my mother's house. So whenever I want to die cut some things, there's no point in me having a die cutting machine in my small tiny craft space in my bedroom. Like she has a big shot. So look how cute. Oh my gosh. And I love this rosette. Oh, this is so cute. So cute. And the last page right here, you guys. Love birds. Oh my gosh. I love my birds, you guys. This is so stinking cute. Love birds. Oh, I see. Oh, I didn't even... Look, you guys. Little freaking embellishments of the birdies. This is the girl bird. This is the boy bird. Oh my gosh. I have 2 girl birds, and they're too much. Look how cute, you guys. Love birds. I love birds. Okay, my kids are getting restless from being quiet over there, so I need to hurry up. Look at this super cute. Oh my gosh, I love this. I cannot wait to get this trim. My mom has some, but I want my own. And then she shared some paper. Yes, I forgot. That's what we were supposed to do. Is just share a few sheets, not too much. Just so when we're working with the collection, for people who, like me, don't have the paper, like we're able to use some of the paper and the embellishments and everything could just be super like matchy. So cute. Oh, look, there's more back here. Oh my gosh, girl. Thank you so much. I really love this collection. I'm going to double check with my mom to see what is it that she still needs from this collection. Maybe I can try to get my hands on it. Love it so much, girly. Love it. You didn't sign your name back here, but I'm going to make sure I write your name back here. So when I look back at it, I'm never going to forget who gave this to me, but oh my gosh, you guys, this is stunning. I just can't even. I'll give you a kiss. I'll give you a kiss. Come. Love you.
Wait, are you already done?
In 2 seconds, I'm going to say bye.
Wait, you messed it up?
No, it fell on the floor.
Oh.
I love you. Okay.
It smells good.
Thank you.
It smells like chicken nugget.
Oh, thanks. Love you. Oh my gosh. I got interrupted, you guys, my kids. But thank you so much, Charlie, for swapping with me. Thank you for your patience. This came such in a great time because, you know, what's going on in the world. So look at this, you guys. I'm just gonna have so much fun in this box right quick. Thank you so much, Charlie. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch. Please go make sure to follow her on Instagram. She's absolutely amazing, super talented. And make sure you give her a follow. And if she does have a YouTube, I'll make sure to link it down below. And share the love, you guys. Share the love. Thank you so much, Charlie, once again. I'll check you guys on my next video. Bye.